Hello everyone. We're excited to introduce some new technology for the 2017 Mid-Atlantic Flute Convention. Starting now, you can download the Events XD app to your smartphone or tablet and access the schedule of events along with other useful information for the convention. Right now we see the App Store is already open. I have searched for the Events XD, and because it's already installed, I'm going to go ahead and open the app. And the first time you open, we're going to need to create a user account. So we click the sign up button. And for the sake of this demonstration, I am going to use a fake email address here. And we create account. Okay, now that we're successfully created, we go ahead and we log in with that email and password that we created. And let me make a spelling correction here. And we log in. Okay, so once we're logged in, we're going to click on the search button, and we're going to search for our event. And our event name is the Mid-Atlantic Flute Convention. So to make it easier to find, we use MAFC and click the Find button. You should see your search result here for the 2017 convention. So we go ahead and select that event. And now we're on the home screen. So from here, there are several things we can do. First, we can click the schedule of events by clicking the schedule button. And we'll see a list of all of the events for the weekend with a quick view of the time and the room number. If you click on an event, it will give you more details about that event. Let's take a look at our guest artist recital here with Aaron Goldman. So I click on that event. It's going to give me some info here. And we also can see our speakers or presenters for the event. And let's say I'm interested in more of Aaron Goldman and what he's doing with our event. I can click on his name, and it takes me to his bio information. I can read more about Aaron. I also have an option to get to his website, and I also have a link to any other events that he's tied to throughout the convention. Also, when selecting an event, we have the option here to mark this event as a favorite, and this will show up in a custom agenda list for us so that we can have a list of everything that we'd like to do throughout the convention. We can view a list of all of our presenters or speakers. So again, if we're interested in what Allie is doing, we can click on Allie's name and we can see more about her. We can read her bio. We can also see those events that she's going to be presenting at. We can also view by session type. This will show us things like concerts, recitals, reading workshops. Let's say that we're interested in all of the events that are related to performance health. So we can click on performance health, and it gives us a list of all of those events that are categorized under performance health. Some other options we have are floor plan, so we can see the convention floor layout. And we can see where all of our room numbers are and easily find things like registration. We will be adding also the exhibitor map, so you can see quickly where the exhibitors are located at inside the exhibitor hall as well. You can get to a map of where the convention is being held, so we can get driving directions, and also links to the Flute Society of Washington website and a little more about the event. The last couple items here, the bottom of the app, we have the My Agenda. So this is where any of those items that you marked as a favorite are going to show up. So you have your custom list of recitals and workshops that you want to make sure that you attend. And then lastly is our Pulse. So Pulse is going to be our news. We have a standard news feed so that we can add information in here throughout the convention, and we can click on a topic and we can read more about what that news update may be. So you want to keep an eye on the news. This is where we can release miscellaneous information and also information about competitions and the winners of those competitions. Also, inside Pulse is a section called Notifications. We will have the ability to send push notifications out. These will be limited, but this will give us the ability to quickly let the attendees know if there's going to be a last-minute change, like a room number change, or in the event of a cancellation. So that way we can get that information out quickly to you. So we hope you'll find the app useful, and please check back often. We are currently still loading information, so things are going to change up until the time of the convention. Thank you.